hi. I didn't see you there. Welcome back. It's glad to see you. And if you are seeing that seatbelt, let me show you guys really quick. Taped up like that, well, it's because it stinks. Actually, let's get my beautiful handy hat so we can start recording this as it's supposed to. So let me get you guys set up and we're good to go. So, hi guys, how you guys doing? How you guys feeling? I know this video might look a little bit ridiculous at the beginning, but as we always do. Whoa, wait a minute. Am I done in here? Wait, yep. So guys, we are on our way to stop number 80. I'm starting the vlog a little bit late, just because of the fact that today I really don't feel like much of recording, and it's for a good reason. So this truck is my third day driving it. I've been driving this truck for 3 days straight. Tomorrow I'm actually going to be training someone, so I won't be recording at all. That's the main reason why I'm recording today, because when I sign to do training, my boss said that I cannot record the sessions, and trust me guys, he keeps an eye on what I do. So I don't want to risk my job. That being said, and by the way, am I going the right way? Yes I am. So this truck, like I said, is the third day I'm driving it, and it smells like gas all day long, and I am dizzy, like literally. Ever since I started delivering my first few packages, I've started to feel like I wanted to throw up and pass out maybe. I've been keeping it together, but right now I feel like I'm in the freaking clouds. And it's all day. This truck shouldn't be on the road until that issue is fixed. And by the way, Amazon's GPS is taking me all the way down to the front of the complex, turn around, so I can come and deliver the package literally right up there. I don't know why Amazon GPS works that way, but hey, it's what it is. We're here to do what we do, I guess. Probably one of the other reasons why I'm feeling really dizzy lately, it's because I'm not eating much. Thank you, Gate. I am not eating much. Literally today I've been running just, well, it's already 3:28 p.m. and this is what I'm having, a Snickers bar. Yeah, I know, I shouldn't, but hey, it's what it is. I didn't come that much prepared today. And actually, let me have some water and I'll keep talking to you guys in a second. Alright. We are back, guys. We are back. I'm sorry, I was just listening to an advertisement, a political one, and let me tell you guys that those political advertisements, goodness, try to say that in a row 5 times. They're getting really creative. Anyways, it is a beautiful day today. Temperature is about 70. Wow. And I'm delivering to them too. That's gonna be me in a few days. And the reason why I say this is because I order a bunch of accessories for my new car. Which, by the way, the next video you're gonna see after this one is gonna be my new car review. Or or the experience of me picking up my vehicle. I'll try to make a video in detail of how I did everything, I guess. Don't know exactly. I'm gonna go to work on it. I feel like I have to write a script and follow that, because you guys know me. I go with what 153, and then I have to do that one 154. I improvise along the way. I don't know exactly what I'm doing. Most of the time, literally, I just press record and start talking. And whatever idea comes to mind, or whatever thought that comes into my head, well, that's what we do. If nothing comes to mind, well, I'm sorry guys, then you don't get a video. And by the way, the past few videos have been, how can I say, a little poor, if I can say it that way. Let's make a point. They've been a little bit poor because, by the way, messy hair. I know. I'm having a bad hair day, as they say. Poor in the way that they haven't been getting that many views. I thought that 1,000 subscribers mean like my followers would watch it, but apparently you guys are not interested in a few different type of my content, which is interesting. You know, I take anything. But that helps you learn a thing or two about what to do, what to improvise, what to make, what to not make. I don't know. It's a little bit weird. It's all an experiment. You know, we all learn. We all do new things. And yeah. Let's keep on driving. Look at that Tesla. They bought brand new rims for it. You know, if I would buy a Tesla, I will keep the stock rims or anything that will make my... Oh, look at that, it's a chipmunk. I'll keep anything that would increase the range on it. Just because, you know, you want to get the most out of your mileage. Now, for those of you who like to customize and get brand new things, hey, I also understand your point. I wanted to customize my car too. But, you know, it was my first car. And I couldn't do much. I hope that I am coming to the right place. Yeah. 238. 238? 238. Oh man, there's nothing worse than working dizzy, disoriented, or not feeling well, basically. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not doing bad. I'm literally at a stop, like what, 70 something, 80 something right now? So it's not like I'm doing bad, but I could have been doing better, and I wanted to finish earlier today so I can go home earlier, so I can get more time to edit these videos, because tomorrow we gotta go ready for training. And training days are no joke. 136. Hey! 136. On this buildings you gotta be careful because that one is 136 and that one is 236. And you might end up delivering the package to the wrong door. You know, the right place, but wrong door. I wonder if these are like apartments for sale or they rent them, because this is also part of the Panther Valley community, and I believe it's also on the same HOA. I think. I don't know exactly. Could be not. Goodness, that's a little close. I didn't know I parked like that. Whew. Ooh. According to the watch, I just filled my calorie ring. Now I just gotta do the exercise. And I've already done the standing because this job consists mostly of walking. Now the route that I got today, this route is not meant to be walked. Amazon works in mysterious ways. I gotta deliver up there and down here. What? Well, I guess it is what it is. By the way, this is gonna be kind of a raw video like I always do. I don't know. That's mostly my style. I record everything in one go and then be done with it. I do try to break it up into different times. But I feel like recording almost everything in one go. And by the way, if I were to record this in different times or more continuously, if I could say it that way. Hold on, wait a minute. 32. The big box. Okay. I would... No, it's actually the... Whoa! Grab the wrong one. Oh, stupid J. The big one is correct. The small one is not. So, this one is, I guess. No, I'm going crazy. Nope. This one is. Like I said, guys, I can't even think straight. Earlier, I know the sound of that car. That's my coworker. He's not working today, so. And he lives here in Panther Valley. Whew. So yeah, guys, earlier today I had like a moment where I spaced out and I didn't know what I was doing. Literally, I was looking for packages and I stood still for about a minute, just looking around. And then I came to my senses. I was like, dude, I was supposed to look for a package. And I just stood there and looked around. Literally, I was just like this, side to side, up and down, or anything. And I was thinking to myself, what was I supposed to do? And the more that I tried, the more that my brain was like confused. I don't know if how to explain it, but it was a weird situation. Whew. Like, I was really trying to remember what I was supposed to do, but my brain couldn't. Almost as if I was hypnotized. And I think it's the smelling all the gas that did that. I don't know. It's a little bit weird. But I think I've said enough for now. So, I'll keep talking to you guys in a minute. And yes, I know my hair is a mess. Don't blame me, guys. It's the hat. Well, I'll see you guys in a minute. Well, senoritas and senoritos, we are about to, well, finish our route. It is right now 6:23 p.m. and I think I still got left about 25 stops, something like that. And yes, I know, I think this is kind of a short video. Hopefully you guys like it. Whew. And if you're asking for my health, well, I'm feeling a little bit better. For some reason, at the end of the day, the truck doesn't smell as much. I don't really understand. But usually it's coming from this guy right here. So, we only got that tote and those two in the back. And I think one of them at least is going to the complex where I live. Because I got my complex today for last. So I'm gonna get to go home, even if it is for 5 minutes to take a little break, you know, grab some water or grab a quick snack, something, I don't know. Red squirrel! They are tiny. By the way, here in Jersey, you need a permit to own or to raise or even to heal or anything, I don't know, whatever. An eastern gray squirrel. But you don't need a permit apparently to own a red one. That's a really bad pothole. That is quite the interesting fact. What is the big difference between a red and a gray squirrel? For me, they are the same. They are squirrels. Now that the gray one is more common around my... Well, it's more common anyway. The red one, I barely get to see it. Actually, this is the first one I've ever seen around here. Which is something weird. It is quite a weird thing. Nope. Apparently we're not delivering to that one. That one is number 5. Number 7. I haven't delivered to these people in quite some time. Actually, I haven't had this route in months. Fresh vegetables. Well, for who? Because I don't think anybody's gonna drive around this area. This is a dead end. There's nothing to do down here. I mean, if they have it for the neighbors, then that's a different thing. But you never know. You never know. Beautiful home, by the way. I feel like my hat is sideways. Whoop. There it is. A quick photo. And good to go. Oh. So, it's been quite the day. That door is loose. No wonder you get a lot of noise. Yeah. What can I say? It's been quite the day. I've worked hard. I feel better. You guys are amazing. I am a mess. Look at my hands. That's ridiculous. Lucky for me, I got wipes, so as soon as I'm done with my route, and actually I'm going home anyway, so I'll wash my hands. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. And oh, make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and if you've watched the video all the way to the end, make sure to give a like. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.